I don't trust this one for you. I'm not gonna lie. When I shop utwa Limpopo ne. Arika buani. And about Limpopo areba tepe wa iti via Vaseline wa.
Casper.
And about shooter man.
Excuse me. Okay, Casper, can we behave, please? Thank you very much.
Hi guys, ngiyamthanda Casper mina Shem, he's so funny. Anyway, this one said, welcome to SA where someone's downfall is a joke. Our guys, it's not that deep. First of all, uyamfana nje wayephapha. Sasingekho nje isidingo sokuthi athathe ivideo ebusy edla umfazi womunye umuntu. Like, ivideo was for what? Ukuphapha. But the joke is lame. The joke is not lame. Nje, it's very funny. It is very funny. It's very funny. How yena wayithathelani video? It's funny nje. Moto orewa mo ngathela wa shuta ma. Hey, whatever that means, kodwa ngathi iyahlekisa. Hey, kunzima uba umuntu guys, hey. I don't think it's funny. One day it will be him. Cause life is full of surprises. Hi, kahle nje uKespa unomfazi wakhe nje umuhle kabi. Okay, angisho ukuthi mhlambe ngeke cheat kodwa ngisho ukuthi uyacheat angeke nje abe yisilima ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi azathatha ivideo for what? Our guys, asibhayizi sonke phela. But anyway, this one responded and said, Ha Joe, Limpopo boy took a video himself. Exactly, he took a video himself. It's not like khona umuntu balunguze ngewindi washuthi video then wayipost. Mina nje angiyiboni nje into enza ukuthi abantu bamdabukele lo mfana ngoba nje ubephapha. Why would Casper take a video of him eating someone's wife? Who the F does that other than Mr. Vaseline? Exactly, guys. Yo, lento ukuthi nje don't make fun of him because it will be you one day. What guys know aspice nje sonke, like for real, like what do you mean? What do you mean? I want to know why athathe video for what? Like nje bekacabangani ivideo bezoyenza ini? Guys, no. Mina nje I don't feel sorry for him. I'll say this 10 times. When he traveled the world representing South Africa, you never said anything about him. Hayibo asiqale lana nje. And I know ukuthi I'm not the only one. Mina nje njengoba ngowase KZN bengiqala ngqa ukuze igama elikhona umuntu okuthiwa Limpopo boy bengingamazi nje inhlobo and ngiyazi ukuthi angimina ngedwa bengazi nje lutho so bese ukhuluma ngaye simaze laphi ngoba simaze nje manje ngoba eseshuthi le video liyayana and ngiyibukile le video shame geni lezinqinga kanani namabela amancane uGuy Shame naye unomzumbo omuhle nento yakhe nje i-right Shame at least Shame akufananga nje ubani we-embarrassa kambe uPDD yena into yakhe yayincane Shame le video yena at least nje yabo into yakhe right nje yeah. But anyway, asikho lapho. What was I saying? Yeah, exactly, like yeah, let's move on. Casper behave lol. Uyas entertain abantu Casper thina si happy. Casper must start a podcast for real. Shame and ngingayibuka Shame lo podcast nami ngingayibuka nje. Casper lethekeleke habana seperish same WhatsApp group. Guys, angazi nokuthi yini sipiri, whatever that means, but yeah. Uthi lo Casper make a song about this. It will be lit, but try to wing it in a sense that it doesn't feel like you are taking someone. Put my name at the end. And at the end of it, as co-founder of the song. Bana uyaphupha wena. Casper, you have so many talents, man. God blessed you. Soccer, boxing, music, stand-up comedy, and preaching. Wow. Kambe futhi wayishaya preaching ubafu. Hey, ngoba depression yenza abantu benza ezinye izinto. Ngiyadlala guys, ngiyadlala. Yeah, but yeah, he's good at preaching Shame. He's good. It's not a joke. It is a joke and it's very funny. like very, very funny. And half of the people laphayana lapha Sun City lapha anganoma stadium noma yini leya were laughing. Okusho ukuthi it is a joke and it's funny. Yeah. Bare Shooter and Reba Kwesafela. Hey guys. Yane. Angazi nokuthi uthini lo muntu. Anyway, Limpopo boy watching this be like I mina ngiyahleka shem. Mina nje ngiyahleka bandla. How? Cass did dirty here. Hayibo animyekeni uCass bandla. Yekani uCass. The Zulu, the Binga influence is serious. Ngiyakutshela wena. And nje uyabona ukuthi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi sigcina sesamazulu sonke le South Africa. Because I remember there's this guy I used to be busy with uyini kambe umpedi noma uyini Tswana something like nje kodwa akasiyo umZulu bale ko Joburg yabona nje le bakhuluma lezi zinto zabo lezi. Hayibo emontweni yakhe uGaye ehlezi edlala uMaskandi. I'm like, "He wena kanti wena yini vele uapply ukuba umZulu or what?" Ethi ngiyawuthanda ngiyawurata Maskanda. Na kimZulu on the kimZulu. Uyabona nje ukuthi wonke umuntu kahle kahle uyafisa nje ukuthi abe umZulu like thina ke vele ke esabaZulu ke shuthi nje hayi we are lucky shem we are blessed because it seems like laba abanye bafuna ukuza la ngakuthina. Anyway, let's move on. Casper is funny and his sense of humor is on another level. Yes, love Casper kusukela kudala namanje nje I still like him. Limpopo country catching feelings. Well, lele asinendaba. Abakheche phela. Ukusalayo it's a joke and it's funny. Hayibo. So manje people should be afraid to talk about what is trending. Did he change the story or add anything? He said it how it was on the video. I don't see what's wrong. I don't see what wrong Casper did. Nam shame. Angiboni nje into wrong Casper ayenzile. Ukuthi nje abantu ke nje bohlezi babantu kodwa ke guys ke uCasper ke uvela decide ukuthi ke avela axolise ke because hayi abantu were coming for him especially abantu baseLimpopo. Shame bandla. Omunye wabo lo waseLimpopo uthi you fumbled Cass. Imagine the whole Limpopo turning on you. Hayi suka kahleni. Hawu kahleni nje. Hayi ke nayi ke i-brand ambassador entsha sha yaka Vaseline. Imana eyanshoni uVaseline manje uVaseline kanti babewenzani uVaseline guys because mina ngazi ukuthi kusetshenziswa lubricant. Yes. uVaseline babewenzani uVaseline guys? Can someone please tell me? Khona la ngibone khona kuma comments bathi nene ukushuthi babenza ilokhuzana. Yo anganoma YouTube uyavuma usebenzisa amagama lawa. Kushuthi babenza leyo ukuthi bayifakela ngemuva. Hawe mali intombazane nesibindi weJesu lo bhuti nje benentekaka webangi yaquleka. But anyway guys, so uCasper Nyovest ke wenza ivideo ke waxolisa ke but still nje kuleyo apology yakhe nje uyayihlekela. Ayo Casper shame he's funny. Love him. Anyway guys, that's it from me. I'll see you on my next one.
Guys, I'm sitting in bed and I'm watching some of the videos and some of the things that I said last night. Guys, I was out of control. I want to say sorry to the nation. And if I shoot. Ooh, that part finished me. Guys, no. Sorry, but forgive me, guys. It was a live show. I was trying my best to bring a vibe. Next time, I'm going to be on. I call.